Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to showcase a login form for a website. And let's start by open up a text editor. And we go to customer login.php. And let's see this of this text, and we need to remove. After that, we need to create some HTML for customer login. Let's do that by typing text and class login underscore box and close it. Inside the login box class, we need to add a form method equals post and action is empty. Close it. And inside the form text, we need to add a sample with a line HTML left and width. I make it this to 70%. Let's close it. Inside the table text, we add another text. This is going to be a gr line and left. So close it. Inside the gr text, we add a gd text. Close band equal 4 and close. Inside the gd text, we add head and to text and type login and be up. Let's sum down line, and we need to add another text. This is going to be a span and close it. And inside the span text, we add text don't have account. Go ahead and we add a HF and customer underscore register.php. We use register here and close it. Br text and br text again. Now let's save the file and check out in a web browser. Hello page. Let me say let's lay a text login don't have account and a link which register here. I mean spend user list on register here link which will register web page register page. Here come back and add more HTML code for website. Another HTML code we need to create also gr text. We need to add gr text and also we jump down few line here and create another gr tag and close it. Inside gr tag we add gd tag and also close it. So copy this and that here. And inside the gd tag we need to add a p tag with a tag email and colon. So close it for b tag. Inside the gd tag here we add input tag with a type attribute. This is equal to text and go ahead with a name attribute equal email. Placeholder with email. Let's close it. Let's save the file and search out in web browser. Reload the page. Let's see. Yes, it's like a email field. When you use a field in some text email, is will insert email to a database. We do this later, and this case we come back and add more we go back here and we add another attribute. This is with 15% and cost band. So make it 3,000 and we set the file and reload the page. You see, let's change to this is this like with 15% and this is it's like 85%. We need to select out the code and copy that and jump down few line and paste that here, and we change it to password. Save the file and search out in web browser. Reload the page. See, we have another field for this password. Let's change this to passwords. We go back to a placeholder attribute and change it to password and save the file. We reload the page once again. You see, let's change to password. We come back and add more HTML code for the customer login. We just need to copy of this code and sum down few lines, paste that. We should remove and also do that. Make sure delete this. Change to 4. We add a check HF and see able to check out PHP and get HB see for password. With that forgot password and use it line attribute see left and we make sure copies of this code and some down few line and paste that here. We remove up this code. We another input text here. Input type equal submit and name attribute login and value. We bit login. Close it. Now let's set the file and check out the site. We load page. You say let's lay for web password and login button here. We'll stop here. Thanks for watching and see you next video.